Hey, what's up guys, this is Jam from Scale Model Jam. Just showing you a gift that my wife got me for Christmas. This is a 3D printer mini heater as it says on the front, and I've been crying out for one of these for ages. Basically, it gets a little bit cold in the man cave in the winter and I can't print anything, which is quite a blocker really from enjoying my printers. So she's got me one of these, which is an absolute amazing godsend. This is everything that comes inside the box. If your heating element, your temperature setter thing, you've got some brackets there, the power supply. This is like a rubber seal that goes underneath the printer base with a hole that will allow, if you have this located inside the printer, not on the edge, you have the power cable coming out through that. There's a little mini temperature gauge, which is a really awesome little bit of kit. I need to get another one of those. We have this metal emblem as well. I think it's just a badge. Not too sure if that does anything. I'm going to have a read the instructions. However, this is going into my Saturn II. There is a hole in the back just there for it, and that will hopefully allow me to print in these cold temperatures. I shall let you know how I get on shortly. So this is the current temperature inside my printer. I'm just about to start off a test print. We'll see how it does. Currently the ambient temperature, not sure if you can see that, is 15 degrees in this room, and inside chamber is 30. I'll come back with you with an update shortly. Let's see how she does. Okay, so moment of truth. 2 hours 20 minutes later. I'm going to confirm that, just like that. I'm going to turn you off. There we go. Maintains a 30-degree heat all the way through. We'll see how successful this print has been. Bearing in mind the temps in here are still showing about 15 degrees, 10-15 degrees. I have a little heater on, so it's a bit warmer than it should be. So, okay, let's just do this. Hold on a sec. Okay, first looks. Actually, it's looking pretty good, although I can see a failure on one of the wheel hubs just there. So I'll get this off quickly. There we go. I would say that was a successful print. Although the side skirts come out a bit wavy, that's fine, but I'm happy with that. I shall get it drip drying. So, whilst this is going to be drip drying, like that, you guys may recognise that as the M&M style Civic Type R body kit. It's come out okay. It actually feels really warm here, so I'm 100% pleased with that fan. That's done a cracking job. Absolutely super. That is also measuring real-time temperature as well, so wherever the sensor is, it's probably in there. It's showing 23 degrees. Awesome. Thanks for watching.